Welcome back to Make It with Moyaa Mondays, where we show you how to use our Moyaa Shea products to make simple do-it-yourself recipes at home. We want to stress that this is fun recipes that you can make in your own kitchen using simple ingredients. They are not professional formulations. We'll be showing you how to keep your products safe using natural preservatives when necessary, but for more complicated recipes and formulations, please research natural preservatives. So for today, if you have a double broiler or a rice pot, you can use that to melt your ingredients. Some simple bowls, and of course your Moyaa Shea products. If you have a kitchen scale, you'll use that to measure out your ingredients. And a few utensils and spoons and whips is all you need. You're also going to need a mold to put your recipe into. I'm going to use this one here. You can get any kind of silicone molds. I actually enjoy looking at thrift shops for them. That's where I found these ones. And this was a larger one, and I cut it using an X-Acto knife to make it a bit smaller and easier to use. If you don't have any silicone molds, you can simply use a jar. Today's recipe is a Moyaa Shea and Apricot Foot Scrub Bar. We're going to show you how to make it with our Moyaa Shea butter. We're going to use our organic essential oil, orange, and we're going to use the following ingredients. Add your wax to the slow cooker. And add your Moyaa Shea butter. And you're going to leave these to melt. Should only take a couple of minutes. Once melted, give it a little stir. You're then going to add your grapeseed oil to the mixture, and again give it a little stir. Place it into a bowl. You're going to add your sea salt, your apricot shells. You can take a little whisk and just mix them together. This is where I add a couple of drops of vitamin E. The vitamin E helps to prevent your essential oils from oxidating and is a good preservative. We're going to use the orange essential oil, and about 6 to 10 drops of this should be plenty. Again, just give it a little stir. It's going to kind of feel like a little paste, and it's going to be ready for your mold. This should do 2 bars. You can stuff them right in, make it look nice and even. Place in the fridge for 20 minutes. So we've just taken them out of the fridge, so you're just going to pop up from the bottom of your mold, and you can see how it just easily pops out. And it's a nice little bar, and you just have to wet it and use it. We hope you enjoyed that recipe. Stay tuned for more to come, and help us